Nagadao ki jing hakar kom sanchar, bat jing penya ya ki jabo, haki jaka municipal, bat ki benta ki bahap hapok ki district council, bat ka jing duna, haka jing pensengotho ya ki pajba, ka jing penya ya ki jabo jaban, ka jing penya ya ki jabo jaban, ka bane, ka danglong, ka mat, ka bakongsan. Ka swachta hi seva, ka day ka jing ya ki ka bakongsan, hapok ka Swachh Bharat Mission. Kablas dang pajba da Menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi House nem arajar kanyau. Kane ka jing ki ka day ka jing lang ka bakongsan manla usnem ka batmu ban penki yakin nong song snong jong kari India. Sya ka jing ketiu ya ka jing khoj jing soba. Ka sarkar kala penthmai yaki kendon penya yaki jabo jaban municipal solid waste 8,000 bat pentip yaki kendon penya yaki jabo jaban bathmai 8,000 khanrio haka pratarik urisau 8,000 khanrio. Ka Jowai kum ka nongba ka West Jaintia Hills District ka mad yaka jinge ka bakraw bha hakini gisni haka bayadei bat ka issue man penya yaki jabo. Kato katne benai menchua ka Jowai Municipal Board kala hapan pensange kansan ya ka jinglum jabo na ki yeng kisem bat ki yau ki hat bat ki jabo kilas dang panpau jan haman la ki dong jong kasar ka jing penya ya ki jabo ka babiang kalong ka badon kam na ka panta ki pajba ka khoj ka suba ka kot ka khia bat ka jing penne pensa ya ka mariang henrei ka jing bam don kirkom trekam ki bapura bat ki jingte ki bashania hakirukom tanrai bat bonsin kirkom the nyot pathar khamtam ki plastik bat ki jabo bashirkhei ka jilla Meghalaya ka yakendu ya ka jinge ka banangkiu ha ka bapenya ya ki jabo namar ka jingbon breu ka banang roi ki yo ki banang roi bat ka jingkala hakirukom pendon kam ki shnong ki thau ki ju pendon kam ya ki jingthang bat bread jabo klem da snap haki madan madia ki lom ki wa bat ki road cloud ki bayalam shaka jing penjot ya ka mariang bat ka jingma ya ka kot ka khia kumshi banta ban pensapriang ya ka jing tiplam halor ka jing penya ya ki jabo hasor Jowai ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board harangkat ka tpep pale dorbar chnong Jowai kala penlong ya ka program ai jing tiplam shaki pajba halor ka phang ka perthai jongi kan nyut jongi hakani ka program la panrap ya ka jingkit kle banya samlang na ka benta ka jingkhoj lashai ban perkhat biang ya ka jaklia penduna pendon kam biang banyo ya ka Jowai ka bakhoj hakani ka sngi la play pai baru ya ka ambient air quality monitoring station ka banengkong ha Jowai ka bahap hapok state air monitoring program SAM. Tilengba kani ka program Green Echoes matakas ngi nginyo pen pathai shapi halor ka jing penlong ya kani ka program bat ki benta ki baper jongka.
Present land problems that Jaintia Hills is facing in getting a land for a proper landfill site. Hopefully that also can be solved at the earliest, and if that the Office of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board will be very happy to offer all assistance to the Jowai Municipal Board in with all the documentation and paperwork required for setting up of the sanitary landfill. And for a brief, we have under the waste management we have various rules. One is the solid waste management rules of 2016. We have the plastic waste management rules of 2016 amended up to 2022. We have the e-waste management rules, we have the hazardous waste management rules, we have the battery waste management rules. Under these rules, all the types of waste are being covered, and under all these the rules that have been mentioned here, all of us have been given a set of duties, a responsibility of what to do and what not to do. Okay, so and now the most important thing, the very important aspect is the aspect of plastic waste. It is a necessity that we require every day in our life, but how do we manage the plastics that we use it every day is very important. And the use of plastic is it's becoming so much that we depend every day of our lives, that we depend on plastics. And ultimately we all know that plastics, they don't degrade, they don't, if you leave it, it will stay like that for the next 500 years. And the plastics that we throw ultimately end up in our rivers. And who gets affected by most by when we throw it and when it reaches our rivers? It's the fishes, the marine life, the aquatic life that are most affected from the improper disposal of our plastic waste. And since it will lead to degradation of aquatic and flora and fauna in the area that we live.
Kaya kita ke landfill, ke baro-baro ngiyakren. Mo? Ke landfill, haga jakale, haga jing shishale, ke ba ngila ban le kalong ba, yaki waste hi, ke ba ngila ban manage hayeng at the household level. Kumbang abatay mentan, reduce, reuse, recycle. Lading ilaban pendon kami kini kamut ngim dadon kam tani ya kata ka landfill ru. Namar kumi yung iba George mene nakashipaw kilo kinyot kibangin ra, kibangin pinmi, mo kibangin generate kibaki mi na po kisnong gitaw, tang shiteng kilo yung mene bangin bu habo ka landfill. Namar balay kini ki kandai kilo shiteng baro khait la pendon kam biang iki. Hangtay hasaba muswang kadiga jakal jong kajuai municipal board. Niladon ki jaka ki waste recovery center. Nidon ki waste recovery center habai kini ki biodegradable. Mo kini ki bam ki di ki jhor ki jhep ki bam mi na po yin cheja ki bangila ban pendon kam ka ban le composting ngira ki shakatai ka waste recovery center jongi. Nile kumno ngi pen kelas bo ya ka. Teminta ngilala ban penmi ya kisbo ngiru tengi dang pa test ya kini kisbo kadon ka lab authorized lab ka bangidang pa test ya kini tengi tang shiyo ka report ka babyang ka results ka babyang jong kini kisbo ngin saya tie up ba ki agriculture horticulture department banyo banya day kini kisbo te ya kani ngi ailat iki SHG jongi bakin mo bakin yo makihi na markihi ki batray kamot kani kasbor kale chakihi ngi karpat ya kisnong baro hapo ka jawai ban sngob ha ban segregate ya ki waste jongpi kini ki institute nala ki batlut ya kini ki jabo baro katut tang ka mo ki batlut ki plastic ki jan ki baro khai ki kot ki tla ki ai baro te ki bat te ngile kumno ki breu jongi ki lek ban kalek iki kani ka jingmut jongka institute nala kem te ka jing jabo ka batuat ka basakot hadian jong slap hapo jong kini ki sintuk siar kala dunabha te ngi donru sa koi ka project ka bangin sa implement no very soon kata ka de ke STP hapo ram perthai te ngi dang don hapdeng ka process jong ka jing ya pet kumno te kanir ka de ka project ka ban pin khoi ya kani ka jongi ka batuat chapo ka wa min tu.
The solid waste management, it's very important in aspect of our life. It's not a state issue, the environmental problem that we are facing today. It's not a national issue, but it's a global issue that we are facing. And this is all because it's our own lack of responsibility that we are not taking care of the solid waste management that has been causing the problem that have been arising not only in Jwai town but everywhere. As Dr. Sharma has rightly said, we have a very beautiful town. 25 years, if I would say 25 years back, I'm sure like few of you can relate, Jwai used to be a very pleasant town to be in. Back then we don't need fan even at home. AC is out of the question, but I'm sure just 10 years down the line, all this will be become a necessity in our daily household. segregation of waste is, I would say, no, it should not start even at the community level, but I would really strongly suggest each and every parents here who are present here today, everything must begin at home. They say charity begins at home. Segregation of waste also should start from home. When I say home, what I'm trying to point out is, we should be taught at an early childhood of how to segregate our waste. As a community in Joy, I would say in every locality, there's only one thing that lacks, and that is, awareness. Awareness is the one thing that we lack in every locality, that has to be done, extensively to educate all the residents about the type of waste that has been produced from each and every household. We have already heard about the 3 R's in the waste management: the reuse, reduce, and recycle. This is something that we should really stress, so that 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, the landfill that we have, we are going to have in Joy Town also, it has a lifespan of probably 20 years, 25 years. So by doing this, by reduce, reuse, all the waste that we have will somehow not overburden the landfill that we will gonna have very soon, maybe with the blessing of all the stakeholders, the departments, and along with all the citizens of this very own town. Another problem I would feel as community, we lack some basic infrastructure. I would say proper drainage has to be set up. Proper waste management disposable has to be set up in every community. Another problem I would see as community leaders, I feel like lack of proper funding from the local governance and as well as the community. These are some of the issues that I feel needs to review, so that proper management, proper solid waste management can take its form in a proper way.
Hak ni kapor, ngan sedang shua, dah kababu kawai kajing kali na kabanta ki kena school. To, sengap babu, ngin samprai segi kena ki ba ai ka jumpa apa babiang. Play jumpa ba? Ka group panang tie, ka group panang ni. Nengkong ngan kali shua kini ki group ki badan hang ni ajan. Baro sengap ba? Kadungun na pilara ka syatri menne pormi na ye. Rakti sedro. Rakti bara syatri. What? Wey, to. Hang ni hang tay ka group pi. Kadungun na bara syatri menne. Wey, tamut along lai. Bantok teman man mo. Okay, nanta hang ti kadungun. Kambuan ng ti. Alright. Ap ngan sa ay ka jubab jong kani ka jikili to. Kambuan ki kena hanti ki bara istri. To sa kaway ka jikili. Kadungun na pi mene pinangbut kan sa slap rakti. Tapi bara istri hi gini kan rakti ki way pampat rak. Ki baklam ra istri war rakti. Syati? Yes. It's alright, it's okay. Very good. Balay nga kali kata ka kali, namar nga, ngidon kapat pensyong dong rim, hakani kapor, yakani ka kali. Wat mangaro nga kimra sa tri mene, dan bok i-producer jong nga ilara sa tri. Balay nga kran nga kata ka kantin, ban nga po kata ka kali, nga hapan yaro, gini ginohikay ro. Lese, kani ka panpaw, ka start yung pikong ginohikay, nga ba pila, ra, yala isa tri. Mo nga i-ginohikay mene, kaya syong mang ni. Don kirang baro, gito gibalara sa tri. Telesay binong palay ni iba ikran siya pang kasatri mo. Kani ka jengja, kabadya, kani ka por, kani ka clipmat, kani ka tsaka ka bang iprolong, kani ka meeting, kamday ka coincidence. Kani ka kubor, naman ta jong ilang baro. Baka jingim kalong unpredictable. Habi na iba kamariang ro, kalong unpredictable. Tekat no Ikijing kabansawan hangi kabang ngimtip lupa. Ngakwa pray kublay ya pi iway balakit ya kasyatri tas ni. Namarkani kapan ka jinglong preparedness ka jong pi. Guess what? It might be sunny kala long ka basit steam ha. Nalane lap slap. Handrai pira ila tay syatri. Kata kapan ka mindset ka jong pi ka pila penlong ila de ki belalong prepared. Katno nangi ngilong prepared na kamta ka mariang. Bangawan siya ni po jawai ngong sibin nganiyo matiet ka bala tat. Nara ani ka pla. Bakan suk banra ye kijing tiet sibin. Kani kalong ka preparedness. Kabanga simet ngalapun le jumut lupa. Itu gibara syatri gilapun le jumut lupa ba lada slap na lada shit ka peneng ka syatri kan ada. Kani kadai ka jing don't come ha kani kasni ka bamentay ngilang baro habang ye kren syapang kadaw ba kata kalong ka environment. Lada ngipik ya ka jinglong jengman jo ka saudong saukun bat ngi pensyong dong rim ya ka pule ka putih ya ka bedai bat kaya ka bakta kani kay mariang ka jongi ngismo to syai baka jing puli baka practical kalong sa peneng sekendo mana hakpor bangalawan rong ngai ibo na pipipay nga bangale ayu pi nga ba ngale ayu. Thank you so much, I love you all, very good. This proves that you are absorbing bat bay tu kentin you are absorbing pi kilam syong tang ba syu pipay pi absorb kay bangale. Kata kalong pi nga ba ngalung kitu ki plastik ki badan hang ne saudong ngatep ai ni klong mano matep ka ai ka slogan jong Mahatma Gandhi ajubab kalong be the change you want to see in the world. Okay? Ong lang baro nga be the change you want to see in the world. Yes. Te balay mo Gandhiji hakpor ba ipendankam ya kata ka kentin ipensyong nong rem hakano kodors nga pa. Yang tangkat ni. Yang be the change. Kentong kakintin ka penengkong be the change. Kabamut long shwa mapi ka jingkela. Tementa habang yaong say no to plastic habang kirang ba nengkong kilaya keren kibabun ki issues kay kacing pitip kacing nengkong kalong kacing kela kampat wan chua hanga shimet kacing kela kampat wan chua ha kayeng kasem jonga kacing kela kampat wan chua ha ka implang salang bat ter kumta te pi ki khana red ki bayadon hang ni dengkat bat kinoi kairu bat kumju girang ba. Kani kacing kela ka bangi ang not banwanra hang ni hapo jawai la ni hane Gentia Hills kanap stang shwa nangi shimet kabasongsi kalong ba borobor ni kadaw betangi ka sorkar kamle kumta kiwahe snong kimle kumta kani kambiang kata kambiang handray hato gilapusan mo katno pat kata kacing no senyang jongi shimet dia mental ada mangi iwe kamtam kipalasan kat noe por hidang donak ni kesela pertai hendrai lada mangi mentang mi banyale yang ni katma kai ka cuba bangin sa ay gini kihap ki baret kendala he glasan kai bagi don banong kalong opleng pi pila yangi yakani kajaban kecep kani ka jowai ka balong ka buram jong ka jela Meghalaya palasyu kumni tambah kam kom san kalong bang ni kapor bang soto kay kata ke individual responsibility bang idon
dai ka way na ki kanhon jong ki ba don ka jing sngau khia man pen baha man penne ya ka wa man tadu ka badai ka way na ki ka bai umbam umdi ka la ka khandau bat kanong yada keri ka kishnong ki badon hajuai kishnong marjan kumjo ro ye ki penthor ka ba ki badon talwer jongka te markum balong menta ka mentadu kemaong kadai kawai na ka ba kasus ban ai bakal khandau pen scam mi kalong yeng berkomjo ro ye kinong rep ki ba da ki long yeng da ki hajar tali ki ba don kam yau khau ka ba na kane te kai ka bang ya kan kamtam galong ba ka wa man tadu kadai ka ai yang i ginong song snong bat ka jo ka por ginong rap te kumbalong ki snam ki bala adab khamta meni ki arfu san snap ka jintang na ka daw ba ki nong song snong kimpat khankor kimpat simpalat ya kata ka banta ban penne pan bahai ka mantru te kala don kane ka jing her thman ong no na ki plastic nang ta ki nyut kila ya berat pathar kat sebalap kendo kada kolong hang ni na marba kita ka jing berat ki ba mi na ki yeng breu bar kumju ro na ki yeu kalong ba ki breu ki ba bon hi ginong song snong ha ka jing bamban se kala awan kene ka jing her thma ka basuki jajai na po jong ki plastic te ka jaka ban berat ya ki khanda ka nyut bar ki plastic undon te na taka daw kala don ka jing ma ya ka wa mantdo na kani kila toy sepo clear ki doj te ka khta bahai ka mantdo hado ka por ka ba ka poi ka khalemat ka ba ka PHE ka office jong ka PHE article ka dai ka ba sam ye ka muskilong ye kala sa khta kamla ban pen ai ka i ka ka ba khoj na taka daw ka don ka jing prakhat ni nanga bat ki nga khot ki rang ba kilong kami hau nu isnam sansnam manda ban mi no sa khaman nalorang taro ka don ka banta ka ba ki khando ki ba kiti na ban thau yeng ki breu ki las bang ban berat sha ki road jong ka mantadu kinagini na poy ki por liur kala mi ka banta ka ba ka slab ko ka kitno kadon ka banta ka ba Krishna yo surok nagaliang ka sarkar Krishna surok ka ba ya naro jang ka mantadu kini kala jia jing sha na do arajar reu sisel ka por ba Krishna yo te joy bypass ka ba mi na mi mantadu hado poy ka nan thalaskan ka pung thalaskan na do to ka por ngila yo i ka don ka jing berat pathari kindo na gitu kilom ba ki ti ki panhap nanta ki berat sha ki do jongka mantadu kinong rap ki badan si kepentor ki badan saneng bat ki basarum kiru ki la sa akta ki langkha ka jongki na ka jing to jong ni kendo la to ki plastic ki nyut ki bilor ki bapun don ki por ngila ba ki wan na kini ki tiar ki bapendon kam di hospital kum gi sirin ki bora halor kini ge ki to mat kinong rap ro ki la mat ka jing te nagaleng ga jong i gamakan hon jong ga khoj ya kawa mantru ngila ya le kat bala marhabakut ngi syo tho hoj ka government ka sarkar ka dan andai ka sarkar kat no kamla bantrai kam manyada ya ni ka jinggali ngi dang don ka to ka po hado mentaro balai ka sarkar jalla ga jongi kam yada kam wan shakmat manyada ya kani kawa mantru rebban se ngi kum ginong song snong ki badon harro jong ka mantru ngi hab hi ban yala namar kan ngi yala ban im bat ban singan ga jing im dai tang yang i menta kan ka pateng henry ka pateng ban wan namar sen bing ila do ya ka na ka mantru tangamat kalong breu lok man breu ga jong ngi ra long jenjar dai tang bag jenjar ta mod kam don dor sho nalarang ta kami ka jing hukum na ka NGT kadon ka jing yarap yang i ya ka Juwai Municipal Board baka Urban Department bakin sna ban panbahaya kini ki nala ki bagi khod aga ktin nongwai galang in situ nala kini gila sna no do arjar arfuwai kini hot kadon ka jing yarap yada ya ki plastik bakin toj ka mantadu nrai kambagalong pat kini ka jing sna ki yo iba kamlong complete namar ba kisna tangi ka to structure nrai bang ban management maintenance pat nakabanta kisnam banwan kata kamdon te ya kani ka DC nang taga Juwai Municipal Board la along kila aman sa khamat ban kren ya ki AKA bangi kum ginong snong idai ban pengklat ya ka plastik na ka ki nyut takadon na kini ka jing persang jong ka Juwai Municipal Board bat ki re we snong gi badon hajuai bat ki snong gi marjan hoj kidon ka jing yaram te ka ay ka mangi yo i mentapan hadin bangila poy ka ni ka surok ka bikisna ka Juwai bypass kiyo ka badon narot sundan jong ka mantadu te halor kan ni ka government ngimtim na ka daw ng kalibon sin ka jing tho balai bisna surok narot ka mantadu nalorang taro balai ngiyo i ba ki contractor bad ka office jong ka executive engineer PWD road ki berat ia ka khandeu na kita ki lom ki bani sa mentadu talor kan ni ngidang bo ka jingkali pun senior government hadu ka por ki karpa ya karo ba pen khoi ban khlong ya ke tu khandeu siap na mar kan ni la sin ba kala adap ki khandeu ko kan sa rengat ma kan sa sangat kan sa do hi ta ka mentukan sekala kum ga wa doi tanang kata daw ngipat ya ka reflect pat yang i kum bagalong asulong kibon ke nong song snong ngim kwa ki ong bangim kwa bagan long kum ka wa om khara te haklor kan ni ka nong rem kala kan dan ka jingkal det ben reo bara ki nong song snong ki la sim hi ka rai hala de hi ki darbar snong ki la umi sakhamat kham tam kum bagalong ka mantadu ka long ba ka don ar banta ka wai ka long ba ki nong song snong hajwai ki don ki ba tibban ya karen bat ka mantadu ya karen ngamul ong ba ki penyeng dikan nia ka jutang ki ai da kata ka ngok kadam dan ka bai ka bantapat ka ba ki wabon ki bamnang su ban karen ban penyeng ban ya karen ka mantadu da ka nia ka jutang rai ki lap ki yo ya ka na ka mantadu
air quality kadai ka way nagi topics kabalong very important hak ni ki por pementa hak ba baro nangi ngia tip lut ngia tip ha sipang kani kadai ru ka topik kabalong very critical na war blay ba ngi kendu na kawai kapor ngi i haki kot khubor ngi haki news channel ba khamtam hakani steve gijongi kapoi sipoi kani khubor ka baong ba ka bernihat kadai ka most polluted city in the world tenre hakju opor baru ngakwa ban ya thu epiang ni ya ka babha kam khampao tik babha ba kalong ba ubnai august 2025 katkum ka monthly average Shillong is the cleanest city part in the country in India. Te kung Shillong ba kabunsin ka basniyo ka pao hundre ka baha ka kampao hundre ngan ai happy mentai ki sembo jing perkhat halor ka air quality. Te ngakwa ban sedang da kinigi slides. First of all, introduction. What is air pollution? Matrai ki kena bone ki kena matai ki puli, but it's a topic in your subject environmental science. But I'll read it as it is. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter or biological materials that may or tend to cause harm to discomfort to humans or other living organisms or cause damage to the environment. So this is air pollution. The release of toxics into the air is termed as air pollution. What are the major pollutants? The pollutants in the air are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter of size less than 10 microns and also less than 2.5 microns, carbon monoxide, ozone, lead, as well as ammonia. Burning of fossil fuels, which comes from coal or coal products, natural gas, derived gas, crude oil, petroleum products. So these are the number one issue with respect to source of air pollution. Number two is the domestic sources as well as indoor air pollution. The domestic sources or indoor air pollution may be termed as the burning cholas in our houses, smoking, and then we come to sources of outdoor air pollution from the big kilns, from industries, emission from industries, power plants, construction and dust emanating from such activities. Then emission from vehicles, biomass burning, and then we have the open waste burning as well as transportation, which means emission from the vehicles which are plying in the road. Okay, now we come to the standards. For any monitoring work or for any data, we have to have a network, a line of standards. So in this case, with respect to ambient air quality, we have the Ministry of Forest and Environment has formulated a standard which is termed or known as the National Ambient Air Quality Standard. Here you see the various pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, PM10, as well as particulate matter, PM2.5, with their prescribed limits. For example, for SO2, the 24-hour limit is 80. For nitrogen dioxide, it's as well 80. Particulate matter PM10, which is a criteria pollutant, it is 100 for 24 hours. And for particulate matter PM2.5, the limit is 60. So talking about air quality index,
Air quality index is a tool for effective communication of air quality status to people in terms which are easy to understand. It transforms complex air quality data of various pollutants into a single number, which is known as an index value, nomenclature and color. So 8 pollutants, namely particulate matter PM10 and 2.5, ozone, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead and ammonia, act as a major parameters in deriving the AQI of the area. So as per the air quality index, there is a table that's been formulated, and if you see there in the left side, we have good. Good is in the range of 0 to 50, which means minimal impact. 51 to 100 may cause minor breathing discomfort to sensitive people. Moderate in the range of 101 to 200 may cause breathing discomfort to the people with lung diseases such as asthma, and discomfort to people with heart diseases, children and older adults. Poor in the range of 201 to 300, it may cause breathing discomfort to people on prolonged exposure, and discomfort to people with heart diseases with short exposure. Very poor comes in the range of 301 to 400. It may cause respiratory illness to the people on prolonged exposure. Effect may be more pronounced in people with lung and heart diseases. In the severe category, we have 401 to 500. It may cause respiratory effects even on healthy people and serious health impacts on people with lung heart diseases. The health impacts may be experienced even during light physical activity.
Komisi benta na kini program ngidon ru ban play mentak sngi ya kini ka ambient air quality monitoring station dan ka station na kabangila ban test ya kal air kabana kini ke jaka but ya kini ka station ngila play ya ka hapo ka state ambient air monitoring program dan ka SAMP ti hagjing sisha kum kini gijak stations ngidon borok wek state Meghalaya ngidon laifu artli stations hakeleng keleng district but ya nakini ki station ngila ru ban yo ek data bakumno ke jinglong jingman jongkal air lan ya ke air quality hakini ki jaka te kuman chuthu ipi kalong ba hapo jong state Meghalaya ngidon life artli ke mongong te hendrei om ba baro ki jaka ngila ban bu kini stations kalong damar ba ya kini stations are sanctioned the Central Pollution Control Board but kat ng proposal bingi ju ana ko ke Porsche ko por ki sanctions pa kimwan kumba ngidai banyo te kumta ki don ki district headquarters ki bangimla banbu ki stations tenrei hapo ka jing yalam jong member secretary jungi nila initiate matau snem ngidai banbu shu ki stations but lingba ka state air monitoring program ngilala pat ban establish dan ban bu kumkini station hakin reutli ki jaka hangni state Meghalaya bigita ki long ibu kawe hanong sning East Jaintia Hills district kawe Chirupi East Jaintia Hills district halum shinong natang ibu ru ha nongkulang but ha nongjiri gi ha Southwest Khas Hills district but hangni ha Jowai nobling isgo don kam bagi lebandan kawe ka air quality monitoring station ha Jowai bangila ban monitor ya ka air quality lan ka jinglong juga jingman juga le air ha kadi jaka te kumta ngi ha banbu kadi station ta hangni philawan I ba ngidon artli ki samplers ki jongi kawe ngi on ka respirable dust sampler but dakani sampler ngila ban monitor ya particulate matter PM10 te hagjo por ngi monitor ki gases kepada sulfur dioxide bakumju kan nitrogen dioxide te lingba kani instrument ngila ban yo kita record ya ka data kebakat no hakasis ngi lan hak arp sokunta kini ki pumpum kilang te lingba kani instrument pat ngi ong ka fine particulate sampler but nakani ka instrument part ngila ban monitor lan ngin yo data jong ka particulate matter of size PM 2.5 microns kabamut ki bakhamrit chu ki pumpum ki bakhamrit chu ban ka bangiyo nakani ka instrument te dagidat ngi monitor ki di arsen chiteo kabamut lan ngi hakasapu prakanta but in total number of days but haksis nem ngi deben monitor kumba shis pa southly ki monitoring saksis nem te daga bangiyo yakini ki data ya PM10 PM2.5 SO2 but NO2 ngi somehow ngi labat ban peni syaka syaki brio lan ban yathu pat ba kumno ka hau lan kumno ka air hakadi particular jaka kala banlong pila ban ong ba kumno tang kani ka way ka station ngi laban ong ba ka air quality jok juai kalong rei kalong buni hajing sya kanang bu nang ba tamba kalong hakaway ka abyang hingi bu ki residential area kanang ba kanang kal air kat lade ka data bungiyo ni kan long representative hakiwe ki dongru gimdai ban bu haki nyong ki haki source ma dan haki industrial area na blai lagi bu ang tu kamut ka tho witang itu jaka de hang mengibu pat aku kini residential area mut ka kentup kalau representative nam ta kiwi wi shnong ru tidak mengiyo kini data malak tayo pang ipenmi kini data haki website ki jongi but ki brio ki ba ki leman ko syong no ki la ban tip ba kumno ka leer ka lene ka hau ka jingjabo jo ka leer ka long te ngidon de ka katang mi ong ka air quality index lemba ke air quality index ngila ban penwandur ban ya thu pan ki ba kumno ka jinglong jingman jo ka leer dar ka don ha ka range zero ada sanpo kamut ka dong good sanpo ya spa kamut satisfactory ba kumta ter te kumungi ihi ki babon ki jaka na kini lai po artli station ki bagi ju monitor na ko por te ngi i ba ki residential area si hak ka state ki jongi baro ki dang ha po ka good category line no ko social long ka tu ki jaka bakawan satisfactory but habirni hat pat ha EPIP ka air quality yang tu kalong satisfactory to moderate te kumtang angit skamba dagjing don jong ni ka air quality station ki jongi mi ai kerteng ka ambient air quality monitoring station under state air monitoring program bla penyat penbet biang dengan Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ki pai ba ang ni juai na ko post ko pat kinla pat bantip ya jinglong jingman jongal air hakani ki jaka
mata kasingi don ha po ka community hall jangka tepele dorbar sinong joai artar kare kasingi bahasa jingan mau namar kade kasin ke kong ya wan penlong hapo juai kum kini ke program hakabaya day bet ka waste bonjat ki waste hakani ke program jengi ngelakot lang yi stakeholders ki baya day bet ka subject hakabagi la yo yi expert ru ikelawan na po municipal i CEO kong lengdo nanta ngiyo kini ki green activist kum ka way na ba pam nam ba juai ki khoj metudu hakaba leram khamat day ba lam salan ki pariat nang ta ngila khodru igi sinjuk jongki wa hechnong namar ngimla ban penlong habarok hechnong dengi khebilenti bada kabak kontup langi sinjuk jongki hechnong kin saban ra ikene kubor celagi jongki snong natangi dan ru igi influencer leni ki green activist bapam nam phi lai i bhaya ibanik ila trai sibun ki kam hakabaya debat kenika subject matter jongi tengi la kontup langi meni namar ki kwa ban yo igi impact ki bakam ha ngila kun thuplang i kan ke program me i ri ai ke jingkran jinghi kai kena askul ba kumjuru ye ki trachnong nangta ngila shu kadai ka kani ke dorbar snong kala don ya ga environment and sanitation committee hapo ka dorbar snong kalau ka ke ban IMC mengi ba khnang menginla ban penyai ban telun ki kam jungi ha ba ka subject jungi kompensipen kana pi na pa municipal ka snong galaya ban receive ya ka award haka jingkhoi bat kumjuk ya ke school ru kilayo tata ban yat phai pa dei kawai ka kaliang badai phang kal air ngi hapo jaintia hapo joai ngim padan gawai ru ka manual air monitoring station kumbang ase ang barabor ngi ubriu barabor gite se kasnam jongi ban tip kat no ke sini kat no ke bat ter handrai ngim jupoi kan mau ban theu leni ban monitor kal air bagi ring musim ke badan kame ber bakong san namar balai kumbang ong ki bengi ai ngim juk khan kor tan re gani de ke senjam ke banang kong ha ka bangi labu ikani ke station ke banang kong hapo joy dengi kimi lenti ladagi dang yo ofan na central ni na state ngindang la ban penyar shu sikewe gisnong gi major da town district berkumjur hapo joy namar hapo joy melumala ngindan kam kompasan teli ai kana ban yo ai ga average namar tangi beng ngimpat yo ya ka good sampling ngila yo south santali kala yo average ta ye kani ngila bu khanang hang ni namar balai kila don kini komiti ka bamut maki kia trelang bat ngi kila ai kani ka hall jongki tangi dap ngi na kaleng state Meghalaya State Pollution Board ngi dap daga jisungu ya ka dorbar stang pele namar kala yang kloy ban ya menjur bat trelang bat ka office ka jongi tanga bu ru kani ka nuksa bagi bayi kila ban boat kandang namta kajing mentoy mde simet hanrai kajing mentoy ya barok babon balang ta nakani ka workshop jangi ngi khimelenti ba namar ngimpa juyo ka platform bangi ni syong kumne municipal pollution board senjuk jang ba hechnong green activist khana school batki nong sung shnong tanga thrai tanga karmen ru ba ka ega message bangila ai mene hamtam ka slogan ka ba ai de ba ni mai jawai mai prai nga karben makan suthit shadu ki suthim de tang jumu jumarkhat ba ka tak kinro ha jumu jumarkhat but hamtam ngin convert into practicals tanga khwilenti ngin sabot din ba hakanugor kom ka dan effect ni awareness ngi kala ani em ban ra kita impact lada ka nambak ay bingila ka habdon impact ladam don impact menta ban bisa tangi khwilenti ba ka ay bingila ngin sa impact ngin sabot din hading ka to kanipor lada ngi i ba ka kum gani ka try kam ngin dang penmi syu sibon kum gidi program sikib sibai pada jaka